In this modern world, competition is pivotal for any business owner. To go beyond competitive clouds, one must have a world-class product and service. Only a few can be able to achieve this, and Madhav Copper Limited is one of them. Madhav Copper Limited, better known as the Copper King. Since its inception in Bhavnagar, Gujarat, India, Madhav Copper has not just earned a profit, but created milestones by creating new quality standards in copper business and by developing state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities of international class. International presence, awards, achievements, certificates have made Madhav Copper a world-class company. Madhav Copper has proved its national and international presence and turned the heads of many competitors and grabs a good amount of market share in this segment with a range of products. Madhav Copper has world-class manufacturing facilities ISO 9001:2015, ISO 14001:2015 and ISO 45001:2018. The group has a diverse product portfolio in various segments ranging from ferrous product steel, round bars, ingots, ship breaking, construction, textile, diamond and jewelry, etc. Madhav Copper offers an extensive range of copper bus bar, copper rod, copper fabricated products, enameled copper wire, paper-covered copper conductor, poly-wrap submersible winding wire, fiberglass copper conductor, tapped insulated copper conductors, bare copper wire, and copper strips. Suitable for any known application in pump, motors, transformers, generators, hydro generators, alternators, wind generators, panel, switch gear, has enormously contributed to this success. Our wires and copper products are also suitable for use in high-speed automatic coil winding machines and to fabricate in an automatic CNC machine. To cut it short, a group which has a range of products for all leading industries. The best quality of the products comes from the dedicated and highly efficient associates of Madhav Copper, along with the latest and highly advanced different machinery. Madhav Copper has always balanced the man and machine ratio to get the best out from that and to become world-class. Madhav Copper truly has the charismatic copper products that stand competition apart and make his way to the peak where competition looks tiny.